Hey there, this is Rumela. Today I'll be talking about fundamental rights, yani मौलिक अधिकार. As a law student or as a responsible citizen, we should be aware about the rights available to us. So, without wasting any more time, let's roll. The first question is, what is a fundamental right? Fundamental rights are the basic human rights available to all citizens of India which are enforceable in court of law if gets violated. Fundamental rights are the part of the basic structure of the Constitution and also known as the Magna Carta of the Constitution. Next question is, where we can find these rights? Part 3 of Indian Constitution includes Article 12 to 35 which deals with fundamental rights. These rights are protected by apex court, that is the Supreme Court. Next question is, how many fundamental rights do we have in our Constitution? There are basically 6 fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution, but originally there were 7 fundamental rights. Right to property was also a fundamental right, but it was removed from the list of fundamental rights through 44th Constitutional Amendment 1978. Now it is a legal right under Article 300A. Now I'll be talking about the fundamental rights we have. First one is right to equality. Article 14 to 18, which includes equality before law, prevention of discrimination, etc. Second one is right to freedom. Article 19 to 22, which contains freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble, freedom of movement, etc. Third one is right against exploitation, that is from Article 23 to 24, which forbids child labor, human trafficking, etc. Fourth one is right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Fifth one is cultural and educational rights, that is Article 29 and 30. And sixth one is right to constitutional remedies, which talks about the writs through which an individual can approach Supreme Court if his or her fundamental rights got violated. Now I'll be talking about few important facts about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights have been borrowed from the US Constitution. Article 13 of the Constitution declares that all the laws, ordinances, acts inconsistent with fundamental rights shall be voided. Fundamental rights except Article 20 and 21 can be suspended during the national emergency. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye-bye.